Now, despite the seeming chaos at PETROJAM, newly appointed Energy Minister FEB Williams says she is not in a rush to make changes at the entity. Speaking with reporters after Texaco's centenary anniversary press launch on Tuesday, Ms. Williams explained that plans are in place to meet with management and staff of the oil refinery before any changes are considered.
It's 3 days, 4 days now. And so I would not want to make rash decisions right here. I want it to be grounded in the statistics and information and in truth, so that when the decisions are made, I can explain, and it will be clear, it will be transparent, and that people will accept those decisions.
Ms. Williams was assigned to the Energy Ministry on February 14, taking over from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who was overseeing the portfolio since the resignation of former Minister Andrew Wheatley last year.